Can I get a number 2 with a with a Diet Coke?
You want to make that a large for $1.99?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And can I get some ketchup with that too, please?
Actually, we're all out of ketchup.
Can I get a water, but hold the water? Just want the cup. And can I get a roast beef, but hold the beef? I don't like the violence. And can I get a pizza slider, but hold the slide? I want it to be grippy. Can I get a loaded curly fry, but unload it, please? Yeah. I don't want it shooting off in my car.
Oh damn!
Sheesh. Dude, Will, you're in the way, bro.
Bro, I gotta do something, bro.
Oh.
Oh. It's kind of ugly, to be honest.
Damn.
Everything I get on camera is ugly.
How does it feel, bro? Did it feel like biting into a Baconator?
Baconator.
Shit. Can I get a stick of butter, but hold the butt?
Hold the butt. Just want to
I just want the
Oh! Alright, hold up after this one.
Oh.
Alright. Will, don't do it. Will? Will!
Oh! What the? The dynamic duo. Bruh. Yeah!
Oh, damn it. That kind of hurt.
Just cleaned up the spot a little bit for him.
Oh!
Hey man, comment down below if you think you got it, bro. And like the video. And subscribe.
Oh! God dang it. Okay, let me use your push.
Oh! Oh!
I didn't lock into it. There was a few
Yeah, bro.
Wait, you did it? Oh, shit.
Let me clean it up.
I'm at 2%, bro. 2%. 2% battery, bro. Oh, fuck.
I'm just gonna take the one.
Take it, bro. Just take it.
It wasn't 50 though.
Hey, man. That's it. Leave a like. Comment down below what you think about Cade, bro. He put in that work. And make sure to subscribe. Peace out. And now, a word from our sponsor.
You can do better! Let's go get a freshly made footlong from Subway! Like a classic Italian BMT on freshly baked bread.
Thanks, Tony.
Thank you.
Choose better, be better. And now buy one sub, get 150% off in the app.
Subway! Eat fresh!
Yeah, sorry.
What can I get for you, bro?
Can I get a number 2, please?
What? Oh, man, you got Oh, can I laugh like that? What the fuck?
Shit, what's he got? Damn, sponsored by Subway. Eat fresh, yeah.
Well, should I take this?
Damn. Damn, how is it?
Do I just take this off?
Yeah. Is that all you want? Damn. Yeah.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
Dude, that was so slow.
First try.
First try. First try.
Is everything?
First try.
Yeah, it is.
First try.
First try?
First try. First try. Next try.
Next try.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Oh.
Officially warmed up.
Yeah. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? You the dude to be on the Tuckasee skate park page, bro. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is that man here.
Trying to put the whole park on, you know?
No, that shit's fucking fire, dude. Like, genuinely appreciate that you do that. That is fucking baller, bro.
Trace, you're the one who recorded me hitting the tents there, right?
Well, over it. Yeah, and hitting you, busting your head open.
Yeah.
Ah!
What?
That's crazy, right? Yeah, he had straight up like busted his head open, was bleeding a little bit, and got up and did it again. Yes!
Damn.
It's like an 11 stage, bro.
I think it's just 10.
Damn, bro. I heard all these stories about you, bro.
Dude,
But
I'm ass now, I know. I sound like such a pussy, bro. Some slight for the boys.
that's right.
A little and then a, you know what I'm saying? A little and then a,
And
and
then,
then boom! And then everybody's like, ah! You know what I'm going for. Back fall.
so disrespectful.
Gotta disrespect this kid right here.
I don't smack myself.
That's cool. That's Bro, honestly, I got too much footage, bro. I might as well just hire an editor.
Might as fucking well making all this bread from all them damn views.
Chill, bro. What's today, Wednesday?
Yeah.
I gotta take my trash out.
Good. That reminds me too.
Damn, bro, I've been here all day, bro.
Great, bro. I'm so
What time you get here?
Nigga, this is the second sesh today.
I had to go home and take a shit, bro, to be real.
God damn, bro.
Hey.
I'm about to fucking bust open my last guy.
Hey, right here for the blunt, bro. He let you hit the blunt.
Blunt ski right here?
Yeah.
And then everybody's like,
Yeah, sorry.